All right, all right. It's a little after 4 on Thursday, and the market's closed up pretty positively. Um, we're looking at the S&P on the daily, and it's testing the high. We had a break of the inside bar on Wednesday, and that probably would have been a good trade for the afternoon. If my free folk were around and paying attention, I'm sure somebody took that. Me, I didn't really bother. And the move was, whoa, that was a nice move. Picked up about 14 points on that, so that would have been a nice afternoon trade. Maybe 7 points on an option if you got in right away. And the momentum is just consolidating, looks neutral. So this is really just a lot of waiting for the non-farm payroll report. And that's what that consolidation is about. And we'll see what the non-farm payroll report does for it. And then it could break one way or the other. This is really not giving me any indication of which way it's going to favor. It's just kind of neutral, which is nice. It just leaves it out there for any move. If you look at the 60, 60's favoring to the upside. It's definitely bullish. Momentum is bullish, and it looks like it's going to make its move on up to the upside. Bitcoin would be more of the same, waiting for it to break. Actually, it looks like it tested that high. So it's got to break that high of 41,300, and then it should keep on going. The 60-minute looks good. We're not going to look at the indices. I'm sure they're going to look the same. Let's just skip right to AMC and not worry about the rest of the stuff. It'll all be relevant tomorrow after the report. So AMC made the break, and it's having a good fight. I mean, that's a nice doji bar, but I think the fight's over. I mean, really, the apes, if they just keep buying and going long, they're just providing the buying for additional shorts. So I think it's a wrap. Got to do this quick. Well, anyway, that's really the extent of the afternoon wrap up. 60-minute doesn't look too negative. It's still bearish, but could be making a higher low here and then work its way down. I mean, I don't see any entry if I was looking to take a position one way or the other. Just based on the movement, though, I feel like it's a wrap. So anyway, that's the short of the long. We're going to do a quickie here. So I appreciate everybody who stopped by. Hit the subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when we're trading. We're live 9 o'clock until about 12 o'clock taking trades. We've been making money every day since we started streaming. I think we had one off day. And a lot of days we just sat on our hands because the market didn't look right. But stop by in the morning and drop us a line. Hit the like and have a nice evening.